Welcome to Readmio. It's a brand new way of reading to children.
Quatam the toad. It was said that a legendary toad called Quatam lived deep in the Ecuadorian rainforest. He was no ordinary toad. Despite looking like all the others, he possessed an extraordinary power. Whenever someone made fun of him or bothered him, Quatam would turn into a jaguar. This was a really old tale, though. None of the local tribespeople had actually ever seen such a toad. The youngest didn't even believe it ever existed in the first place. There was, however, a part of the rainforest where from time to time you could hear a terrible, gut-wrenching roar. One night, when one of the young hunters was getting ready to go for a hunt, a strange feeling came over his wife. All of a sudden, she remembered the old legend about the toad and said to her husband, "Be careful out there. Whatever you do, don't provoke Quatam, or heaven forbid make fun of him. Don't you dare!" But her husband just laughed. He didn't believe those old folk tales. Still, he promised her he would not bother any toads. He assured her he was just going hunting, and that when one is hunting, there's no time for joking. They said goodbye to each other, and the young man headed deep into the jungle. In the moonlight, he hacked his way through the dense undergrowth with a machete, looking for animals to kill so that he could eat something other than fruit the next day. So far, he had only come across a snake, which quickly slithered into the thicket and disappeared. There were a few little mice scurrying under his feet, but nothing else. Nothing worth his time, at least. The man wandered through the jungle wearily. When he stumbled on a clearing, he sat down on a large stone. He listened to the babbling of a nearby brook for a while. And to the chirping of crickets, who continued their concert long into the night. And then suddenly, he heard the croaking of a toad. He immediately remembered the old legend, and even though he'd promised his wife he would not upset the toads, he decided to try and find out if there was any truth to the myth. He stood up, attempting to tease the creature. "Where are you, you stupid toad? Hello! Show your ugly face, Quatam!" he yelled. And sure enough, a toad was sitting on a rock just a few steps away from the hunter. The toad couldn't stand to hear someone making fun of him. All at once, he began getting bigger and bigger. He was slowly turning into a scary, roaring jaguar. The hunter was speechless. In fact, he didn't have a chance to speak. The jaguar swallowed him whole before he could even blink. When his wife heard a horrific roar coming from the jungle, she knew immediately that something was dreadfully wrong. She quickly dressed and set out to look for her husband. She roamed the jungle for hours on end, but he seemed to have vanished without trace. The woman eventually came to the same clearing where her husband had disappeared. She needed a short rest. Worried and desperate, she sat on a stone and listened to the symphony of the babbling brook. and the tireless chirping of the crickets. A few minutes later, a weird, shrill noise sounded from the treetops directly above her head. Looking up, she saw a giant toad sitting on a branch. Yet when she'd first sat down, that toad was a sleeping jaguar. It was Quatam, of course. He was huge because he still had the young hunter in his stomach. The woman realized this. She grabbed an axe and started chopping down the tall tree. Before long, both the tree and the toad crashed to the ground. Quatam hit the earth so hard that the young hunter flew out of his mouth. He was still alive. When he saw his brave wife, he ran over and held her tightly in his arms. "I'm truly sorry, my love. I'm so ashamed. Thank you for saving me." His wife forgave him, and she reminded him that respecting others, be it people or animals, is the most important thing in the world.